In the Unleashed Warehouse Management app, you can search for your products with the Product Lookup function. To access this, tap on the Product Lookup option from the main menu. This will take you to the search screen. Here, you'll see a search bar at the top. Let's try searching for a product. I'll type in a partial product code. When you tap on a product from the search results, it will direct you to the product detail page. Here you'll see the detailed product information, including the full product name, product SKU, default sell price, current stock levels, and dimension. Instead of a manual search, you can also scan the product barcode for a quick search. This will open the product detail page directly. In the History tab of the Product Lookup, you'll find your search history, handy for when you're looking for the product details for a recently searched product. And there you have it, a quick demo of the Unleashed Warehouse Management app's Product Lookup function. Thanks for watching.